Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical tutorial: how to transfer your XDC tokens from your Ledger Nano X to a Tangem wallet in 2025. If you're into crypto security and want to move your assets between hardware wallets seamlessly, this guide is perfect for you. It's a quick process that ensures your funds stay safe, and by the end, you'll feel confident handling it yourself. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need your Ledger Nano X device, a Tangem wallet, and some XDC tokens in your Ledger account. Also, ensure both wallets are updated to the latest firmware. 2025 brings some new security enhancements, so double-check that in your device settings. This step is crucial to avoid any hiccups. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the USB cable and open the Ledger Live app. If you don't have it, download it from the official Ledger website. Once you're in, navigate to the XDC account by selecting it from your accounts list. You'll see your current balance. Take a moment to verify it. Next, hit the Send button and enter the recipient address from your Tangem wallet. To get that address, simply open your Tangem app on your phone, select XDC, and copy the wallet address. Paste it into Ledger Live, then specify the amount you want to transfer. Remember, always leave a little extra for network fees to ensure the transaction goes through smoothly. Now, on your Ledger Nano X, you'll be prompted to review and confirm the transaction. Double-check the details on the screen. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Once you're sure, approve it with your device. The transaction should process quickly, but it might take a minute or two depending on network congestion in 2025. After that, switch over to your Tangem wallet app and refresh the balance. You should see your XDC tokens arrive shortly. If everything looks good, congrats, you've successfully transferred your assets. A quick tip: always use official apps and enable two-factor authentication to keep your wallets secure. Wrapping this up, transferring XDC between wallets is a breeze once you know the steps. If you run into any issues, check the official XDC or wallet support pages. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below. See you next time.